Hello guys, welcome to the video. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss our question, print permutations. So let's see our question. In the input, we are given a string str and we are required to calculate and print all its permutations. Okay, let's see the input and output. We are given a string abc and output. Okay, let's understand it. Okay, so in the input, we are given a string abc. Right, and what our task is? Our task is to calculate its permutations, right? Permutations. So now the important part. You must be wondering what is permutation? What are permutations of a string? So permutation is nothing. Permutation is nothing. It's just the way of arranging your strings and how many ways you can arrange your string. So let's see in how many ways we can arrange ABC. So think of it as boxes. That ABC is of 3 length. So there are 3 boxes, right? And how many ways you can place your elements? Let's see. So it can be ABC, of course, right? What else? A initially, then in the second box you place C, then B. B, A, C. B, C, A. What else? C first, then A, then B, and then C first, B, A. So how many ways we got? We got total 6 ways to arrange a string of 3 length. How many ways? 6 ways. So what's the formula to know how many permutation there will be for our string? So it's simple. It's, for example, 3 factorial for our string will be the number of permutation for our string. So can I say permutations equal to n factorial, right? So here 3 factorial, it is 3 into 2 into 1. So we got 6. As you can see, we got overall 6 ways to arrange our string, 6 permutation, right? So that's our question. We are required to print all the permutations of our string. So first of all, I recommend you to try it yourself before moving further to the solution. Okay, so these are your permutation. Now you know that. So now let's see the our function signature. So we are given a string and we are given an answer so far. So in our case, string is ABC and answer so far is initially empty, right? So now, as we discussed, we got in a 3 length string, we got 3 options. We got 3 places to place our string, right? I'm gonna write level here. I'm gonna tell you why level. So for 0th level, how many choices you have to place your character in the 0th position? How many options? Yeah, think about it. So you got overall 3 options. What are those 3 options? 1, 2, and 3. Now try to think about the 3 options. So one option is if you place your A character, right? A. If you place B, and other if you place C. So these are your 3 options, right? So what placing means? So placing means you will simply add in your answer so far. A, this will become B, and this will become C. And now what will happen to your original string? You will reduce it. So if you place A, what will be your string? Your string will be nothing, just BC. Right. And if you place B, your string will be nothing, just AC. If you place C, your string will be AB. Right. Now this was for 0th level. Right. Now let's talk about 1 level. So what will happen in the first level? In the first level, here, how many options you got? How many options you got to place your character? 2 options. What are those options? Let's see. So one is if you place B in 2nd position, right, in first level, or you place C. Here also you got 2 options. What are those 2 options? If you place A, you place B in your zeroth position. So in your first position, you can place A, or you can place what? Or you can place C. Here also, you got two options. You placed C in your zeroth position. So in the first position, you can place A or B, right? So what will happen if you place it? So first, in your answer so far, it was A, right? So you are gonna add B. So it's gonna become AB. Here, it is going to become AC. Here, it is going to become BA, BC, CA, and CB. Right, simple as that. I'm gonna create some space for better visibility. And give me a second. Yeah, I hope it is visible. Right. Now we are going to talk about second level. So what is going to happen in the second level? So in that second level, how many choices you got? In the third position, how many choices you got? Also, before that, we are going to reduce our remaining string. So here, if you place B, what will be our remaining string? It will be just C, right? Here it will be just B. Here it will be just C. Here it will be just A. Here it will be just B. And here it will be just A. So your remaining string is reduced to single character. So now this time, you only got one choice. What is the choice? Okay, I want you to figure it yourself. You just got one choice. What is the single choice that is left? Try to figure it out yourself. So you have placed two characters in 0th position in the first position, and in the second position, what you can place? So here you can place just C. So your answer so far will become ABC, and your string that was given to us will become empty. Right, here also it will become ACB because only B is left, and empty string. Here it will become BAC, and your string will become empty. Here it will become BCA, and your string will again become empty. Here it will become what? CAB, right? Because it was B in your string, and it will become empty string. Here your answer so far will become CBA, and your string will become empty. So how many answers we got? As you can see, we got our first permutation ABC, then ACB, then BAC, then BCA, then CAB, then CBA. So as you can see, it's similar to the permutation that we got. So how many permutations? Overall, 6 permutation. Right. So that's how you're going to calculate your permutation also. Also, after the recursion tree, you must have figured what's our base case, right? So now I again suggest you to try to code it yourself. And now it's our time to code it. Okay. So first, let's code how much we know. Okay. We know when we will get our answer. We are getting our answer when our string will become empty, right? So if length of string is equal to 0, that means we got our answer. We will simply print our answer so far. And after printing, we will return it. Now, okay. So we know how our recursion is going to work. But what else we should know? Okay. So here, that's important. Okay. Let's think we got a string ABCD. So what we are doing, we are taking a character out, right? For example, we take A character here, B character, C character, and D character, and then we are reducing our string. Of course we are reducing, but how we are reducing it? I can say, wait, before that. So let's see what will be the reduced string. So here our reduced string will become BCD if we are choosing A. If we are choosing B, the reduced string will be ACD, right? If we took C, the reduced string will become ABD. If we select D, the reduced string will be ABC, right? So how we can reduce it? So what I can say, that mainly 3 parts. I'm breaking my string into 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? Let's see. Left part, my character, and then right part. How is that? Let's see. So our string is ABCD. So if our string is ABCD, then our character is A. If we selected our character A, then our left part will be nothing. It will be just empty string. And what will be our right part? It will be BCD. Just wait for some more time and you will completely understand it. Now, if we select B character, what will be our left part? Here, our left part will be A and our right part will be CD. Right. Now, if we select C character, our left part will be AB and our right part will be just D. And now, if we choose D, then what? Then our left part will be ABC and right part will be nothing, or you can say empty string. And now how we are reducing? So this is a character that we are going to add in our answer so far. And if we add left part plus right part, so we will get the reduced string, right? It will be BCD, it will be ACD, it will be ABD, and it will be what? ABC. So for that we are going to use our Python substring method. Okay, so for that, let's see how we can code it. Some space. Okay, so for I in range, we are gonna run our loop from 0 till the length of our string. Okay, length of our string. Now first we will extract the character. So how will we extract our character? We can simply say what the string I plus 1. So by that we will get our character. Now the left part. How will we get our left part? So can I say for the left part that from 0 till whatever my character is, from 0 to before character, can I say from, see, I'm going to code it, you are going to understand it, from 0 till I. What is our I? I is basically our character. And for right part, can I say after my character? So string I plus 1 till the end. So I want to explain you this. So if my string is ABCD, so if we talk about C, so C is our character, then our left, we want to correct AB, right, for left part. So we will start from 0, right, from 0 till character. So that is AB, from 0 to character. And then from, this is I in our code, then after I, then from I plus 1 till the end. So that's how we will get our D. So this is left part, this is right part. Okay, here it's, yeah, okay. Now, then we will ask recursion to do our task. So we will call recursion print permutations. Print permutation. My string will get reduced to what? What? Wait. ROS, remaining string. Alright. And my answer so far. So in my answer so far, I'm going to simply add my character. Right. Also, what our remaining string was, as we discussed, our remaining string was left part plus right part. So ROS equal to left part plus right part. Now that's our recursion. Let's try to run our code and see if this works or not. Okay. So here I run my code. As you can see, it got accepted. Perfect. Now let's try submitting it. Perfect. 10 out of 10. So this was our solution. It was an easy question, but very interesting question. So first we got to understand what is a permutation. So to calculate permutation, we can use n factorial. So it will tell us the number of permutation. Then we understood the recursion. Then how we can calculate permutation, how we can arrange our characters. And then we realize how can we reduce our string. Right, how we can reduce our string by using the Python substring method. So yeah, and then we identified the base case that if length is equal to 0, we can simply print our answer. So that's it for this question. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.